KSP-2 Duna Monument mission is challenging, but fortunately the monument is big and tall and easy to see if you can land close to it. Select the mission and design your lander and rocket. Add side tanks to the lander to provide more fuel and to space out the landing gear for an easier landing. You will need a large rocket with 8 boosters to get to Duna easily. Go to the launch pad, but make sure that Duna is 44 degrees ahead of you in orbit around the Sun. Launch straight up, then use a slow gravity turn to get into orbit. Once in orbit, set up a maneuver node for Duna. You will probably need to set up a correction maneuver node to orbit close to Duna. Note that Duna is rotating while you are orbiting around, so you are trying to land on a moving target. Set up a maneuver node and land as close to the monument as possible. This may take several attempts. After landing, you should be able to see the monument in the distance. You should now be able to walk and jetpack to the monument. When you arrive at the monument, you can go to Mission Control and gain your research points. If you have enough fuel left, you can go back to the capsule and then back to Kerbin.